Hey guys, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can change the handwriting recognition time on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, you want to scroll down and then tap on General Management. Next, we scroll down and tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Then scroll down and in here tap on handwriting. Then tap on recognition time. From the pop-up list, you could select 0.1 seconds, 0.3 seconds, all the way to 2 seconds. So select one of the options and that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.